This is my favorite part of buggy. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of It's a Bug's Life. Today we're going to dig in and peel back the carpet underneath the passenger side. We've been kind of putting it off, but we can tell by the feet of the seat, by the feet of the passenger seat, that it's rusted. So we are kind of sure that there's going to be some rust down there, and something set us off today that that told us you need to take a look. We saw some pretty devastating consequences on another channel, so we want to take a look at ours today. It's a beautiful day, so we're excited to get out in the Jeep and pull out the power tools and take a look. Another thing I did was I painted the trailer in a special way, so I'll tell you about that later. Let me know what you think. So let's get out in the sunshine.
After watching Dan H's video this morning, we started thinking about we better pull our carpet up, especially after that situation we had where the inside door felts fell down and blocked the weep holes. Just sat there and soaked water like a sponge. The bug is going to disconnect the battery before we start messing with it. There's our goose. All right, get out of here, goose. All right. Want to sip your monster, bug?
Wait.
It's just a monster junkie.
It's the fuel for the bug.
It is the fuel for the bug. Man, I hope we don't find what Dan found. Bug's Buggy is basically the twin of the Beach Jeep.
Beach Jeep.
Color, everything. Except it isn't going to have 20-inch wheels.
We're not putting 20 in the
You know what I got to say?
Bubble!
Nice bubble.
Hey, Buggy,
Yeah.
you want to make cupcakes tonight?
Yeah. Absolutely. Funfettis? Woo!
All right, so clips are undone. Okay. As you can see, there's the center console. There's actually videos online how to get the center console out. It's pretty easy.
But thanks to Project Dan H, we have our carpet
for real.
and
So
it's dripping. Like good.
yeah, show them where you're dripping, bug. Well, it's dripping. I'm sorry. You see? Yeah, it's dripping, and we're not sure if. I mean, obviously, I guess it's probably. We hate to admit it. It's probably the heater core. So we are going to get this knocked down, P.O.R. it, get it dried out, and put her back together. So there's the bug and its bubble.
I mean,
Wow.
can we shop vac this out?
Yeah, honey.
All right. Well, then screw these rags.
Yeah.
Yes. Check this sponge out.
So it's just.
Literally.
I mean, obviously it's like a sound deadening thing, but it's just soaking wet.
That was on the floorboard, and it's just a nasty sponge.
Yeah.
So step one, we need to treat the carpet, get it dry.
Yeah.
And then step two, we got to treat the rust.
Yeah.
So we got the Metabo out, and then we'll P.O.R. it, of course. But I guess we got to get on the carpet.
You got it vacuumed out?
I mean, enough. It's just going to keep dripping.
Okay. Well, I squeezed it out pretty good. Let's take a look at it and see what we can do. Get her, bug. Did you get her?
Then they're done.
Yeah, you are. Good job, Buggy.
That looks so much better.
Yeah, so we got, you know, a majority of the rust out of it. I think with the P.O.R. 15, you'll have to get 100%, but we sure feel a lot better about that. So it's good up underneath, but it was just definitely just right in there. Here.
Oh, we can do down here too.
Yeah, that's right. We got to get, that was that same thing with those, exact same scenario with those felts that fall down inside your door and block your weep holes. So then you get this scenario down here. So we're going to hit that with the Metabo as well. And we're going to P.O.R. that, and we got some color match paint, and we'll fix her.
Wish y'all could smell this stuff.
Smells good, huh?
I love it. This is my favorite part. Well, the Metabo was fun too, but
Yeah, you like the Metabo.
but I know that this is taking good care
Of your Jeepy.
of Buggy.
Yep.
You know?
I'm so glad we looked.
Thank you again, Project Dan H.
Even for this, we'll let you slide on your 20s.
You can put 20s on Beach Jeep now if you want.
Twin.
We won't make fun of you in the PNW.
It's satisfying painting that, isn't it, honey?
It is, like,
I thought you'd like that. A little bug. Look how little you are down there.
yeah.
Oh, there she is. Yeah, as long as you got her all.
And while our seats are out, we noticed that where it's coming in contact with the carpet, it was rusting there as well. So we've got the steel brush out. We're gonna get the rust off, P.O.R. that as well. And then we also noticed like the frame of the seats, just being so close to the water and the carpets, it was rusting. So we are going to use this product, the fluid film. It's just an oil-based spray that you spray it and it'll spread all the way out, and it's helped prevent the rust from spreading. And it's not like that rubberized stuff where the water gets in behind it and it rushed out your frame and you don't even know it. Come help me, baby.
You jumping over on mine, poor bug.
I saw it well from different angles. You
Right.
see.
Oh, bug. I see it from different angles.
Thanks guys for watching another episode of It's Bug's Life. We are so happy that we went and looked underneath that carpet. What a mess. But we did address all the rust issues today, and I just feel a lot better that Buggy is well taken care of. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, leave any comments below, and we'll see you next time on another day of It's Bug's Life.